We have to decide, what do we want to design? You said you wanted a map. We're going to open up the WeCreat software. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click a new project. I tend to start with a laser flat project because it just makes it easier. I'm going to create a rectangle and I want to make sure the width matches the perimeter and the height. It's going to wrap and be exactly where I need it to be. Now we got to talk about design. We're going to go ahead and search out a Westeros SVG. Certainly you can find free ones on the internet. First one that just popped up here actually is on Etsy. I don't have a problem paying $2.80 for somebody to build it into an SVG for me, and it's monstrously huge. The nice thing about it is this is already an SVG. If it wasn't an SVG, there are some edit functionalities that I have found in the WeCreat software that's actually pretty nice, to be honest, and makes this really simple. But I do love the fact that this is an SVG because there's probably parts of this that we're not going to need. We want to size this up, and now that we're zooming things, I'll put glasses on. I think we can get rid of the name. What do you think, Devin? We can get rid of the name, right? Don't think we need the name. If you don't know what it is, shame on you. Bring the map back over, and now that we've gotten rid of the title, we can make the map a little bit bigger. So looking at it up here in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, we see that we're about 4 5/8 on the width side, just shy of 6 inches on the height, which looks really good. And if you look at this, you can see this is our printable area. The map is only taking up half of the tumbler, which is fine because if this is my tumbler and I'm holding it here, my map is right there. Except for, I promised you, Devin, your own mug. So while you were at lunch, guess what I grabbed? The Game of Thrones font. Ooh. I know. So I think we can just name this one O'Hara. That looks really good. Now, in this particular case, I want to make sure that I'm scaling everything the same. And to be able to do this, it's really simple. Up here, again, is the size of the box that the text is in. If I click the lock, I've now secured X, Y, width, and height to scale together. And why don't we do a height of a 1/2 inch? And we'll drag it in here. At this point, this is all. What if we made it 1 inch high? So that has us in line with the compass. Yeah, like that. Okay, that works.